Morning guys, something you might like today. I'm charging the e-bike via solar. So we're effectively using the batteries as a buffer obviously, but oh yeah, by the way, I had an incident with a glass this morning and yeah, not good. So let's tell you what's going on. So basically I've got my charger for my e-bike. This is the server power supply. This goes through like a coil and then this wire here and goes into the bike here. Now this charges directly into the batteries. Still got those drill packs in there. I'm just monitoring the voltage carefully so that I don't overcharge anything, but basically on this screen here you can see we've got I've set it for like quite a low charge, like 3 amps. So 3 amps going in, and the e-bike batteries are a 20S 72 volt battery for those of you that didn't know, and it's saying here should be done in about an hour. So this isn't really the most efficient way of charging the bike, because obviously you're going through this power supply here, which is running off of 230 volts from the inverter. So you know, it's not the most efficient way of doing it. I'm pretty sure this system actually allows you to stick 12 volts just straight into this coil. I'm pretty sure it allows you to do that. It's clever. It uses a controller, the motor and the controller to basically step the voltage up. So it's like a kind of buck boost converter. Anyway, you can see from here it's only drawing 18 amps out of the actual batteries, because we've got some power coming in obviously from the solar. And if we go over here, so yeah, we've got 129 watts coming in, so that's like 15 amps from the, well, it's gone up there, it went up to like over 200, then it peaked at about 15 amps. It's probably one of the highest currents I've actually seen in it. It's a really bright day though. So we've got like 10 amps coming in, that's sort of fluctuating, that's kind of going in obviously, you know, into the batteries, but obviously it's getting counteracted by the current that's coming out by the inverter. So we got, yeah, 25 amps going out. So we're obviously going to be in deficit here. We're going to use power. It's saying we've got 38 minutes remaining, so I'm not going to leave it on here until that actually hits the line. But it just means I'm using the energy rather than it just going nowhere, because once the battery's charged, the battery will be charged like super quick. So you can just disconnect this. That just turns that off, and I'll unplug it as well. The easiest thing in the world today. See, this thing will peak, that will pull like 10 amps from the mains. If you have it flat out, it will charge the bike so quick. We'll be doing like 30 amp charge. So yeah guys, thought you might be interested in that. So it was a record day for the solar shed yesterday guys, 1 kilowatt. So 1 kilowatt hour, I was wondering if it was going to hit it, got to the end of the day and it just peaked on that 1 kilowatt just before the sun went down, so that's pretty interesting. So that's a whopping 12p of energy generated yesterday.